Good morning. Today we are going to head back to the pavement and go toward Death Valley. We're hoping to spend the day up Marble Canyon, which is a spot we have never been to before. So here we go. So once you have hit the sign that says Cottonwood Marble Canyons, you know you're headed in the right direction. And then you're gonna immediately come upon some pretty soft sand, so you may want to throw it into 4, but otherwise it's a pretty good road. We're gonna go ahead and air it down just to make it a little bit smoother. This is a true off-road in Death Valley adventure. We have crossed the plain. We're about to head up the alluvial fan into Marble Canyon. This road basically follows the wash or drives right up the wash into the canyon, and clearly it was completely washed out with debris after the summer storms. So thank you to those Park Service workers who have enabled us to just have this nice easy drive up this absolutely amazing desert highway. we have reached the end of the road. It's time for lunch, and then maybe we'll take a walk up the canyon and check out what lies beyond.
What's for lunch today?
So today we are having flatbread sandwiches with grilled asparagus, eggs, and cheese with a crack of pepper and something else. So we've got the cheese on. We're gonna go ahead and in a minute put it into the flatbread, douse it with a little bit of Tabasco sauce, and then sit and look at the view and have an amazing lunch here at the top of Marble Canyon. All right, food is made. We got our awesome picnic spot with an awesome view. Cannot wait to chow down. So we are headed up Marble Canyon. So we knew for sure that we were going to have an off-road adventure today, but we did not know we were going to have an on-foot adventure up an incredible narrow desert canyon. So we're back at the trailhead, and we had no idea what to expect today. What we saw up Marble Canyon was absolutely spectacular, and we'll definitely be coming back again here real soon.